नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। स्टॉक मार्केट crashed, Nifty 50 BSE Sensex closed at over 3-month loss, raised 9.86 lakhs crore, tweeted out what's the road ahead. Stock market saw a very sharp sell-off on Tuesday, resulting in market capitalization dropping and investor wealth eroding by as the mass at rest 9.86 lakhs crore. Both Nifty50 and the BSE Sensex declined by 1%, dropping to over 3-month losses. Escalating geopolitical tensions due to US President Donald Trump President tariff threatened and the sustains foreign and outflow battered market statement. The market saw their lowest closing level in over 3 months as the board based the sell-off, driven by weak corporate earnings, global trade concern, and President foreign fund outflow. Unsettled investor losses were led by information technology stock and heavyweight Reliance Industries. The NSE Nifty 50 fell 1.38% to in at 25,232.5. Market participants point to a disappointing earnings session as a key factor behind the decline. The 30-share Sensex extended its losses, falling 1,065.71 points or 1.28% to close at 82,180.47 during intraday trade. The index slid as much as 1,235.6 points or 1.48% to low of 82,010.58. The total market capitalization of the BSE listed companies declined by as foreign investors sold Indian equities worth about 3 billion in January, the largest monthly outflow since August. So far this month, the Nifty 50 has ended lower in 9 of the 13 trading sessions. The coding stock market crashed among index heavyweight Reliance Industries and ICICI Bank weighted on the benchmark after reporting third quarter results that missed estimates. The Reliance shares slipped 1.4%, extending losses from the previous session. Information technology stock emerged as the worst performing sector, with the Nifty IT index sliding 2.1%. Companies that the heavy report earnings so far have seen pressure on profitability due to the impact of India's new labor codes. LTI Mindtree dropped 6.7% after posting a decline in quarterly profit, while Wipro fell 2.5%, extending Monday's slump following a weaker than expected outlook for the fourth quarter.